What's up guys, and welcome to Cynics TV. Now today we're going to be placing a prank on somebody in your classroom that has a backpack just like I have here. Now this one doesn't belong to me, but you know how you guys are in school and everybody has a backpack, or at least the majority of people do, right? So we're going to play a stinky prank on them, so stink around if you want to know what it is. Alright guys, so for this, all you guys need is your victim's backpack, which is similar to this one right here, just like that. And all you guys need is a balloon, as you guys see right there, and some liquid ass, like you guys see right there. Really stinky stuff. About a foot of string like I have here, and 2 safety pins, just like I have here. Now guys, what you guys want to do is you guys want to inflate this balloon when your victim has gone to the restroom. Let's say this guy has diarrhea, or let's say this girl has diarrhea that's in front of you, and you can tell, right? So you wait for that moment that they go to the restroom, and you take perfect advantage of their backpack. So what you guys want to do to get this started real quick is just inflate this balloon pretty big, because when they come back and they see it really inflated, they're gonna be like, what the heck is in there, right? So inflate it pretty big. Now guys, when you take your balloon, before you inflate this, guys, you guys want to put liquid ass in there, and then you guys want to blow it up. So you guys want to just pop the top and put some liquid ass in there. Now close that up, because oh god, this stuff really smells, guys. I don't know if you guys have ever had a chance to smell this, but oh man, it smells like a pig probably took a dump on your dinner plate and you were forced to eat it. So then next after that, guys, you just want to inflate the balloon as big as you can, because the bigger the better, right? Look at that, guys. Pretty big size, right? And you just guys want to close that up real quick. And you guys want to do this as quick as you can, because once that dude comes back, or that girl comes back, they're going to be looking at their stuff. So once that's secured, you guys want to put this aside for a second, and then you guys want to take one of your safety pins and get it ready for this foot of rope. Alright, cut about a foot. After you guys do that, you want to tie it at the bottom of the safety pin, just like I'm doing so here. And once you've secured it, alright guys, once you guys have tied it to the bottom of your safety pin, just like I have here, then you do it to the other one as well, guys, and it should look like that. And what you guys want to do is take the safety pin, open it. You guys want to attach it to the inside bottom of the backpack, just like I'm doing so here. Anywhere at the bottom works perfect. Alright guys, once you attach it to the bottom, as I've done there, then you want to bring your balloon in, guys. Before you put your balloon in, you want to attach the safety pin, which guys, be very careful with this because it's very sharp. So you want to open the safety pin, and the sharp end of it, you want to put some tape on it, but be very careful because these are very sharp and you could get hurt, or it could pop your balloon really quick. So just put a little piece of tape on there, just like this, guys, just right over it. Doesn't have to be a big piece, guys, just a little one. Pretty easy to do, guys. You shouldn't have no trouble to do it. Now, guys, the prank has been set and your victim is ready to be pranked. So the last thing to do is just put it in there, and it's gonna look like something crawled up in there, right, guys? So let's do that for you now, just to give you guys an idea what it's gonna look like. Alright guys, you guys want to push it in as much as you can, but you want to leave the zipper open so that you don't pop it yourself. And once you guys have pushed it in as far as you can, then you guys should get something that looks something like that. Look at that, guys. It goes from a flat backpack that just has like books and stuff in there, to now it looks like it's a pregnant backpack, right? Or it looks like an animal jumped up in there. Now, the prank has been set, so when your victim comes back from the restroom, he or she is in for a big surprise, guys. Yeah, so when they come over, guys, and they're done using the restroom, they're gonna see their backpack and be like, what the heck is this? Well, obviously they're gonna see that there's a balloon inside, right guys? So when they pull on it, kaboom! Alright guys, so when they see it, like I said guys, they're gonna pull on it, and this is what's gonna happen, guys. Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Smells like a pig just died in here, guys, and that's what they're gonna probably say too. Now they're gonna probably jump out of their socks. Woo! It's gonna smell really bad, and the whole classroom is gonna probably run out of the class for sure, so be ready for that. Be ready also to probably say what's up to your director or your principal, because they're gonna probably want to talk to you. And but have a lot of fun with this. It's a really easy prank to do, guys. No, it's not difficult at all. Just be very careful with the safety pins because they're very sharp. Now guys, if you're new to this channel, if you're new to Cynics TV, Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, like I said, if you guys are new to this channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're going to be putting out a lot more fire for you guys to check out. As for me, I'm Sin Fatal, half of Cynics TV, and I'll see you later.